I don't know if I'm in the minority or the majority, but I love to gift wrap. And today I'm gift wrapping a very special little girl who is near and dear to my heart's birthday gift using ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is a 2-pack and it has like some sparkly polka dots on it. They sparkle just like her. And I'll be using this wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree that has almost like this, almost like a muted hot pink, if that even makes any sense, chevron pattern. For her gift, I chose this Disney Princess magical bowling set. I figured her mom can set it up for her, or my brother, who is her grandpa, can set it up for her and then teach her how to roll the ball, knock down the pins, just kind of teach her the lay of the land as far as the game. I figured it'd be fun, interactive between mom and grandpa and whoever else wants to play with her, and it would also be great for motor skill. And of course, Auntie would love to play with her too. I also got her these adorable package of socks that is so cute, and there's 4 different patterns. Just realized that one of the bows is just a shiny plain pink, and only one of them had that sparkle, which I actually really like. I like the contrast. Here is the final look. In the back, I created like this little pouch to put her second little gift. Shopping at the Dollar Tree is a lot of fun, but it's also a great way to maintain the lifestyle that I like to live, which is spending as little out of pocket as possible. I shop there once a week, and of course, I always hunt for the good stuff, but I also buy a lot of practical stuff there too. These things are what I found shopping there this month. This cute black and white bone. I don't know how long it's gonna last. He has gotten actually a lot better with not destroying his toys, so I'm hoping this is one of those that he chooses to play with instead of destroying. I find this year so far has been the best year for flowers at the Dollar Tree, and I picked these up. These are so beautiful. This green is just gorgeous. These are not to decorate with. I am going to put them away. They are actually for next year for Easter when I do visit loved ones that are no longer with us. I see things at the Dollar Tree that are just amazing for only $1, but I don't have anywhere that I would use it. I'm pretty good with keeping it at the store, but sometimes that's not the case, and this piece wasn't the case. Now I do have a laundry room, so I'm going to use it in there somehow, but I don't have a specific place for it because once it's done, I kind of know what I want it to look like, and this is something that I'm just gonna add. That's not something that I was looking for, but I mean, you know, for $1, I mean, I'm going to find the spot for it, and I'm sure I'm going to be happy that I did pick it up, even though I didn't have a plan for it. And they actually have this in white too. In their snack zone, they have these little Debbie iced honey buns. They're pretty big, like they kind of cover my whole face. I myself think these are disgusting, but the guys like them, so I bought it for them. This is the second package of these sharpeners that I have picked up from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, pencil sharpeners do not last with me. I use pencil for almost everything. So I do a lot of sharpening, and every sharpener that I have bought so far, whether it's from a dollar store or not, I tend to break, or they get so dull because I use them a lot. Well, let me tell you, these work pretty darn good. So if you're in the market for some pencil sharpeners, I highly recommend these. Picked up some beauty items this month. This is a tea tree night lotion. No idea the quality of this. It is a Greenbrier product, but hey, for $1, right? If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But if it does, great value for $1. Nothing wrong with that. This is not a Greenbrier product, and it is 100% natural. It's from Beauty Guru, and it's a natural under eye serum with sea buckthorn. I think that says. It's a roll-on applicator. Another eye product. This is an eye cream. It's a Lift and Firm. It is not a Greenbrier product, and it has collagen and peptides. I was surprised to see that we got some of the hard candy, so I grabbed this hydrating primer. It's a 12-hour moisture 3-in-1. It moisturizes, primes, and perfects. And I believe I said it was a 12-hour moisture primer lotion, and it says it's coconut water infused. 3 eye razors for $1 is a great deal. Being that it's sassy and chic, I don't know how great quality that it's going to be. For me, eyebrow razors are very tricky. Most of them I buy, even the ones on the higher end as far as price wise, they're not the greatest. It's very hard to find a good one for me anyway, but I mean, 3 for $1. This category is like home cleaning products. I love their Sure Scent automatic spray refills. It is the same amount that you get in like the Airwick and the Glades. We know how expensive those are, and these are only $1, and I don't mind paying for them. Sale price couponing, I get them for about $3.50. I will pay the $3.50 all day, every day, because the scents are wonderful, and I won't pay $1 if the scents are not wonderful. But I really think there's a lot of quality when it comes to this product. They have the Hawaiian, they have this fresh linen, they have the lavender and the apple and cinnamon. Do you have a dishwasher? Have you ever used their dishwasher detergent pods? Hands down, I prefer these over the Finish brand. I like the Cascade brand, but to me this works just as good. These are the only ones I buy. They do a really good job, and the dishwasher that came with this house is an older model, so the fact that these work great speak volumes. And you get 10 of them for $1. They have like a no-name brand of the Color Safe bleach in powder there, and they also had this extra one. So this is the first time I've seen it, so I picked this up because I really like to use Color Safe bleach in my laundry. These might be new, I'm not really sure, but I thought that they were really good quality. Usually I'm kind of picky with my spray bottles. Usually dollar store spray bottles look like dollar store spray bottles, and to me I think this one has kind of a Bed Bath and Beyond quality to it. Right now you can get the Fabuloso, the larger bottles with 30% more in it, so I stocked up. I love to just drop a little bit of this inside the toilet bowl. It just makes it smell so nice. I actually don't use Fabuloso for cleaning. I personally don't like it as a cleaning agent, but you know, just for the scent, you can't beat their scent. And I usually always get the lavender. Just love the smell of lavender for the home. I do not like this brand of wipes, but I just happened to like open it at the store and the smell got me. Like, I have never smelled such a strong scent in their lemon wipes before, so I don't know if they improved it or it's just because I hadn't picked it up in a long time. I'm almost sure that I'm not gonna like them. I mean, I'll double up, triple up if I have to use them. They were only $1 when I do use them, and these are a 24 count package, but this one has an extra 6, so it's a little bonus one. And honestly, like, it smells like a fresh squeezed lemon, and that's what got me. Oh my gosh, total summer vibes. The new spring storage containers flew out of the stores in my area. I wanted 4 of these. I was only able to get my hands on 2, so that's the 2 that I got. Actually never used sandwich storage containers before for sandwiches, so this is for lunches. Do you use them? Have you ever used them? Do they keep the sandwiches fresh? I got some of their fabric storage bins. It's weird, they call it window storage bins. Am I really having a dumb moment here? Why are they window storage bins? Anyway, I got 3 of, I guess you could call them white. Are they white or are they like a very light stone beigey? I don't know. But I got 3 of them, and I got 1 of the black. I did want more black, but this is the only one I have been able to find. And now they also have gray, plain gray with none of the square stripes. They have a darker gray and a lighter gray. I'm using these in my craft closet in the lower level of the house, and then I wanted more of these to use in my pantry, but I'm still going to use this one. The last 2 items that I picked up this month, which was the most recent shopping trip that I took there, were these cute Americana 4th of July, summer paper plates with the red truck. I thought these were really cute. We don't really use a whole lot of paper plates like for everyday use, so I just grabbed 2. I think that will definitely take us through the summer, and I really didn't need it. I just thought the print was adorable. And actually my favorite part of this plate is that right there. That floral arrangement right there is everything. I plan to post some Insta stories of my little niece when I give her her gift. I actually post a lot of pictures of her over on my Instagram stories. So if you're over there, stop by my account. I actually post daily on my Insta stories. So if I'm not here, I'm there. That was my Dollar Tree finds for this past month. Bye.